from Cebu.
And I'm Cheska from Davao.
And we're gonna eat the best tasting pork in the world.
Here in Carcar, Cebu. Let's check it out.
Yes!
Let's go. So, David, tell me, why is Carcar Lechon the best lechon place that you could find in Cebu?
The thing about Carcar Lechon, so the lamas, it's like sauteed some Cebuano spices of onion, some garlic, some Asian onion. That's stuffed inside the lechon, right?
Yeah.
And then that spreads the flavor out, and then it just starts
I feel
dripping.
it.
And they collect all those drippings, and they baste the lechon with it constantly while they're selling it to you. So that's why you saw that little soup thing there. The
Yeah.
other thing is, every stall here is a third generation stall. So they've been selling lechon here since their grandmothers, since their grandfathers, and they've been keeping the tradition alive. That's why it's just years and years and years of lechon.
Perfecting it.
Perfecting lechon, the artistry. It's the best thing they do. Have you ever tasted a better pig in your life?
No. It's the best. Let's try the other one. Okay.
Let's split this.
Yeah. Do you see the fat in that thing?
So after you buy your lechon, if you need a place to sit, there's a carinderia beside the lechon market. There is a charge per head for how many people sit on a table. If you don't want to pay corkage, you can buy rice from them, but then we bought the rice ahead. Oops.
I'm already doing my lechon dance even before it's being served.
Yes. Okay. Make sure you get that extra soup because that's where the flavor's from. And a lot of people think lechon is all about the skin. Like, no, it's about the meat too. And a lot of people's favorite part of the lechon are the ribs. So make sure you get ribs.
That's my favorite part of the lechon.
So in Bisaya, we have a term bidli, which means like you eat too much of an oily thing, you start feeling gross. To counteract that, you get achara, which is pickled papaya.
And carrots.
And
Raw papaya.
I heard a rumor before that they would eat this to lower their libido. I don't know how true that is.
Not that I need it, but I just need it for the oil.
So if you come to the Philippines, everything is in a little plastic pack. You'll even get soda in plastic packs like this.
And ice.
And ice.
And shampoo.
And shampoo. And last but not least, you can't eat Filipino food without rice. So in Cebu, we have a specialty called puso, which is hanging rice, which is rice cooked and wrapped in banana leaves.
Yeah, just spread it open. Oh, this got some
red rice in
yeah,
it.
red rice in
Yeah.
it. Healthy.
And in true Filipino fashion, you eat with your hands. You have to eat with your hands.
Just adds to the flavor.
Yeah. Eating puso with lechon is much easier because you can eat it like a burger, or you can break it off a little piece with your hand, squeeze a bit. There's a technique to it, guys.
Yeah, this is the technique. The Italians got nothing on us. Now let's try the famous Carcar Lechon. Of course, I'm going to start with the skin.
Yes, yes. You have to start with the skin. That's how they get you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's so good I could cry.
That drip.
Look at that dripping.
Drip, drip, drip.
Where'd you get that?
In the soup.
I want
You're
some of
gonna
that.
dig for it.
Oh my gosh. See, this part of the lechon, sort of like the white meat, you don't usually get that much flavor there. But because of the dripping, that's also coming from the lechon, and all the flavors that they put in there, it's just, that's perfect. God bless the lechon. And then when you feel like you've had a little too much, you get some of this achara to cleanse your palate. Oh, it's sour. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's exactly how I want it.
So when you're planning out your itinerary for Cebu, you have to make time for the Lechon market. Like everybody knows Cebu for Lechon and for Puso. Like these are the two symbols of Cebu if you want. And if you want to try the best Lechon on the island, you have to come to Carcar. Like it is a must. Make the drive, guys.
Locals' advice is to come here early in the morning. They open as early as 4 a.m. So you can make that early morning drive down south to South Cebu and check out Carcar, and you'll miss the crowd and you'll miss the traffic. So
And you can fall asleep in the car going back.
if you're not driving. I'm not lying though, this sauce,
Right.
really, you can eat the white meat.
Usually I don't eat the white meat.
No.
Unless it's on the rib.
Yeah,
But this is like just like seeps into it.
I know.
Like osmosis. It's like a sponge.